Welcome back everyone. It's time for some very quick history and civics revision. History and civics in accordance with the reduced syllabus provided by the council. There are 20 questions, 20 marks, and question number 1 is: what is the age requirement to be a member of the Lok Sabha? A person who wants to be a member of the Lok Sabha must not be less than 23 years, must not be less than 25 years, must not be less than 26 years, or he must not be less than 18 years. The qualifications of the members of the Lok Sabha. Learn the qualifications: 23, 25, 26 or 18. And the right answer is he must not be less than 25 years of age. The next question: name the second chamber of Indian Parliament. The Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, the Supreme Court or Union Government. What is the right answer? There are 4 options. Second chamber of the Indian Parliament. The Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha, the Supreme Court or the Union Parliament. Well, Rajya Sabha is the second chamber of Indian Parliament, so the second option is the right answer. The next one. Which of the following is not true about the aims and objectives of the Muslim League? To promote among Muslims feelings of loyalty towards the British, to prevent rise of any feeling of hostility between Muslims and other communities, to protect the political rights of Hindus and Muslims, to remove misconception that may arise as to the intentions of government in relation to Indian Muslims. These are your 4 options. Read the options carefully. You have the answer there in front of you. You need to be alert and you need to observe. Which of the following is not true about the aims and objectives of the Muslim League? And the right answer is the third option, to protect the political rights of Hindus and Muslims. The next question. The leading lights in the Khilafat movement: Mustafa Kamal Pasha, Ali brothers, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Aga Khan. Who were the leading lights in the Khilafat movement? Who played the leading role in this pan-Islamist political protest campaign by Muslims of British India? Yes, the right answer is the Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali, Muhammad Ali. So it's option 2. When did the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy take place? 13th April 1919, 10th April 1919, 11th April 1919, 6th April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Yes, the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place on 13th April 1919. The next one. Who was greatly shocked at such turn of events of the Chauri Chaura incident? Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Motilal Nehru or Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai, Motilal Nehru or Bal Gangadhar Tilak? The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi was greatly shocked at such turn of events of the Chauri Chaura incident. The first option is the right answer. Who said, "Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it"? Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai or Gopal Krishna Gokhale? This is easy. Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. These are the words of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The next one. Who was chosen as the sole representative of the Congress for the second round table conference? Aga Khan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Madan Mohan Malaviya. Aga Khan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi or Madan Mohan Malaviya. Who was chosen as the sole representative of the Congress, the second round table conference? Yes, the third option, Mahatma Gandhi. He presided over the historic Kolkata session of the Congress in 1920. Lala Lajpat Rai, Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal or Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. Who presided over the historic Kolkata session of the Congress in 1920? And the right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. The next one, from Civics. The principle of dash enabled distinguished persons to have a place in the upper house. Suspension, nomination, election or impeachment. Suspension, nomination, election or impeachment, and the right answer is the principle of nomination. Identify the causes of Quit India movement. Split in the Congress, failure of the Cripps mission, Japanese threat or both options 2 and 3. Identify the causes of Quit India movement. Well, the right answer is failure of the Cripps mission as well as the Japanese threat, option D. The fourth option. Both options 2 and 3 is the right answer. An adjournment motion is moved only in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Supreme Court or the states. Exclusive power. An adjournment motion is moved only in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Supreme Court or states. The right answer is Lok Sabha. Which of the following is not a way or a device through which the Parliament exercises control over the executive? Adjournment motion, censor motion, residuary powers or the question are. Which of the following is not a way or a device through which the Parliament exercises control over the executive? What is the right answer? Residuary powers is the right answer. The next one. No confidence motion can be moved by the Prime Minister, the President, a member or leader of opposition, the Supreme Court. The Prime Minister, the President, a member or leader of opposition, the Supreme Court. The right answer is a member or leader of opposition. Immediate objective of the forward bloc. What is the immediate objective of the forward bloc? To organize a provincial government of free India, liberation of India with the support of workers, peasants, youths and all radical organizations, abolition of landlordism, a new monetary and credit system. Learn the objectives of the forward bloc. And the immediate objective of the forward bloc is liberation of India with the support of workers, peasants, youths and all radical organizations. The Indian Independence Act was passed by the British Parliament on 15th July 1947, 15th August 1947, 14th August 1947 or 18th July 1947. The Indian Independence Act was passed by the British Parliament on, yes, it's 15th July 1947. Who is the principal presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the President, a Union Cabinet Minister or the Prime Minister. Who is the principal presiding officer? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, principal presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. Who was described as the father of the Indian unrest? Aurobindo Pal, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai or Bal Gangadhar Tilak? The most aggressive of them all. Aurobindo Ghosh, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai or Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and the right answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The next one. Who was called by the people as Sher-e-Punjab? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Madan Mohan Malaviya or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? Sher-e-Punjab. Who was called by the people as Sher-e-Punjab? Yes, the right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. Who becomes the supreme leader of the INA after his arrival at Singapore on 2nd July 1943? Rash Bihari Bose, Mohan Singh, Mahatma Gandhi or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose? The supreme leader of the INA after his arrival at Singapore on 2nd July 1943. The right answer is, I hope you have already solved this. Yes, the fourth option, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Complete the following analogy. Chauri Chaura incident, 1922, Dandi March, a question mark. What is the year? 1926, 1942, 1919 or 1930? The analogy, complete it. Chauri Chaura incident 1922, Dandi March, a question mark. And the right answer is 1930. Well, this is the end of today's session. I'll come back soon with another session. Again, 15 marks and 15 questions. Take care.